Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys at my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disable auto brightness mode in our Oppo phone device. Guys, you want to disable guys your auto brightness mode in your Oppo phone, so when you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable guys auto brightness mode in our Oppo phone. In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting, and guys you can see this type of setting. Fans scroll it. Fans you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Fans tap here. Guys you can see your auto brightness setting. So fans you want to disable, so fans you can disable from this right side guys. After disable guys, you can see guys your auto brightness will disable your. Then guys you can use guys your brightness setting, high power and low power guys. You can adjust yourself. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable auto brightness mode in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.